First, open Google Play. Search and download MetaMask in Google Play. Open MetaMask. Set a password and enter 8-digit password to enter the app. Click to create a new wallet. Write down your secret recovery phrase. Retype this phrase in the next step in sequence. New wallet created successfully. Copy wallet address. Open CatStar. Click on Wallet page. Choose a store cat. Click Send. Enter the pasted wallet address. Choose the amount to send and confirmation fee. Confirm send and check message sent successfully.